Welcome back to my little creative corner of the internet. And welcome to day 28 of our Junk Journal January challenge. So let's grab our junk journals and dive into today's prompt of sealed. Welcome back. Can't believe we're already so far into this monthly junk journal challenge. Let's make ourselves a nice cup of coffee. I really needed it today. And dive into our creative session. Here I'm just flipping through my journal to find one of the last empty pages to get going for today's prompt. And here I decided on this spread with the music sheets on one side and the maps on the other side. I really love this both kind of patterned paper, and here I did get this little sealed sticker from I guess it's a wine bottle or some kind of packaging. Here I did get out one of my printables. I will leave a link in the info card and the description down below if you want to get the Dark Academia tags for your journaling projects as well. And I did also get out one of a tag I had from something to eat, I guess. I don't really know where it came from, but it is from the supermarket. So let's just customize that a bit with some old book pages and incorporate those little tags into the spread for today. I just had the idea of making something inspired by like a wrapped package in a way and seal that up for our prompt of the day. So that's why I decided to create some tags to include in today's spread. Can't believe we're already so far into this challenge. Here I did get out some twine to kind of wrap up the page as our little package. How are you all guys doing? I hope you're still going strong on some of our final days of this junk journal challenge. I'm really happy how this page is coming together. And I'm so happy with all the spreads I created for this Junk Journal January challenge. So I'm really excited to dive into the completed Junk Journal January tour very soon and show you all the beautiful spreads we created together. Here I'm just flipping through a bunch of the stickers to find out if there's something I like to use, but then I decided to switch it to some of these postcard stamps to include those onto the package. Thought it would fit the theme very well, and I thought the space was just a bit empty to call it a day at that point. So we're still just adding some book pages to make the twine stuck down to the page so that it can't really move, and we also add just some decorations and stuff to the backside here because I just wanted to also make the backside of our spread look cute, as it has the twine going down, so I won't be able to use it for, or it wouldn't be easy to use it for a different kind of spread. So here I'm just take out another one of the postcard stamps and include them in the spread as well before adding the little tag onto this spread. Here I also decided to include some of the stamps on the front side as well. I think I love those different postage kind of stamps. And here I decided to include this big London themed postage stamp onto the tag I created in the first moment. But it will overlap, so that's why I did cover the page underneath a bit with some different paper to have it only half showing on the tag in a way. I'm really happy how this spread came together, and all the different kind of elements make it look so cute. And I think it fits the theme for today very well. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, a thumbs up would make me really happy. And if you want to join me on this creative adventure and many more creative adventures to come, hit the subscribe button down below. And until then, happy creating. See you very soon.